Hello everyone, this is my review of the Nuopuplai electric hot plate. Using it is super straightforward. I plug it in, set my temperature, and it heats up quickly. The 1800-watt power means it gets hot fast, so I can boil, simmer, or saute without waiting forever. It's compatible with all kinds of cookware, stainless steel, cast iron, and even non-stick pans, making it really versatile for everyday cooking. One feature I really appreciate is the 24-hour timer. I can set it and forget it when I'm cooking things that take longer, and it helps keep me from overcooking. The child safety lock gives me peace of mind, especially when there are kids around the kitchen, because it prevents accidental changes or bumps from messing with the settings. Temperature control feels responsive and easy to adjust so that I can go from a gentle simmer to a strong boil without fuss. Cleanup is also simple because the ceramic surface wipes down smoothly after use. Overall, this electric hot plate has made cooking more flexible and convenient. Whether I'm in a small apartment, using it as an extra burner for big meals, or taking it with me on trips, if you want a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use countertop burner, this one has worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.